my name's Hannah and I work for J Parkers. I'm going to share some tips of how to start again. Hi, my name's Hannah and I work for J Parkers. I'm going to give you some tips of how to prepare your garden for the winter. One of the best things you can do is to mulch your garden, so you raise beds. So you want to put mulch around all of the plants if possible. You can use composted bark or wood chippings for this, and what that will do is it will protect the roots of the plants from frost, but it will also stop the soil from getting compacted by heavy rainfall. I'd also advise moving all of your containers to one sheltered dry location, because this will prevent the plants from rotting off, but also it gives them like a sort of combined protection from frost because they're all together in one place. It's also a good time to prune back all of your woody plants, so you can prune back all your trees and also roses, and if you do this ahead of the frost, it gives the pruned area time to heal over before the frost sets in, which can cause dieback. Another thing would be to protect all of your more tender plants by covering them in horticultural fleece, and this will protect them against the coming frosts.